The stress of the COVID-19 pandemic is leading more people in Sarasota County to seek help for their mental health.
Within the last year, Doctors Hospital of Sarasota has seen an increase of people looking for mental health treatment. News Channel 8's Megan Gannon joins us now live from Sarasota with more on that story. Megan.
Hey, good evening, Keith and Jen. So those here at Doctors Hospital, they tell me that the number of people that have been looking for mental health treatment has at least doubled within the last year. And it's not just one specific group. They're actually seeing it across all age ranges, from younger adults to the older ones.
Within the last year, Doctors Hospital of Sarasota has seen an increase in patients with anxiety and depression due to the pandemic.
The depression has been heightened by social isolation, by fear of the pandemic, around vaccination, fear of not being vaccinated in time.
Janice McKendrick is the director of the behavioral unit. She says the number of people seeking mental health treatment has grown, especially in younger adults.
The young people that we are seeing, many are affiliated with colleges and universities or just begun their working lives and have been exposed, if you like, to additional stress with working around the pandemic.
But it's not just the young adults being impacted. McKendrick says they've seen an increase in older adults looking for help. We spoke with a 75-year-old patient who asked not to be identified. He shared his struggles with anxiety became exacerbated due to the virus.
Yeah, it impacted me. It really did. And like I said, I've got some issues, but I was scared to death.
To a point where he eventually knew he needed help.
The biggest thing, which certainly is helping me, is learning different coping skills on how to cope with anxiety, how to cope with my fears of my pre-existing conditions catching up with me.
Now, we asked the patient we spoke with what his advice was on dealing with mental health and the pandemic, and he says it's really simple. Never be afraid to ask for help. Reporting live in Sarasota, Megan Gannon, 8 on your side.